In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the Excel ribbon in Excel. To get started, open Microsoft Excel and then open either a new workbook or one you already have saved. This gives you a place to practice while you follow along. If you are new to Excel, using a blank workbook is a simple way to explore the ribbon without worrying about changing important data. Once Excel is open, look near the top of the window, just below the title bar. This area is called the ribbon. The ribbon is where Excel keeps many of its main tools and commands. You'll see tabs such as Home, Insert, Page Layout, Formulas, Data, Review, and View. Each tab is organized around a specific type of task, which makes it easier to find the tools you need. Next, click on any ribbon tab to open it. For example, you can click Home or Insert. As soon as you select a tab, Excel displays the commands and tools available in that section. This is helpful because the ribbon changes depending on which tab you choose, so you only see the tools related to that category. When you want to use a command, first click a cell or select the data you want to work with. This step matters because many ribbon commands apply to the current selection. After that, click the command you want to use from the ribbon. If you're not sure what a command does, hover your mouse over it for a moment. A small description box usually appears, and it may also show a keyboard shortcut if one is available. That can be a great way to learn faster and become more efficient over time. Here are a few simple examples. In the Home tab, you can click Bold to make text bold. In the Insert tab, you can click Table to turn a range of data into a table. In the Data tab, you can click Sort A to Z to sort information in ascending order. After you choose a command, Excel performs that action on the active worksheet. As you continue working, you can switch between tabs at any time. Just click a different tab and the ribbon will update to show a new set of tools. This makes it easy to move between formatting, inserting, reviewing, and organizing your spreadsheet. If you want more space on your screen, you can collapse or expand the ribbon by pressing Ctrl plus F1. You can also click Ribbon Display Options in the upper right corner of the Excel window and choose the display mode you prefer. And that's it. You now know how to use the Excel ribbon in Excel.